kitchen.
Oh, hello.
I want to eat.
Maybe juice?
Okay. Grapes, apple, limes, orange. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. My cafe is open. Come on, come on, come on.
Oh yeah. Adrian's kitchen.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Everyone, come on. Hello. Drink.
Yes. Berries, mango, lemon, kiwi.
Yummy. Okay. Healthy food, healthy food, healthy food.
Healthy food, healthy food. Great. Ariana, I like healthy food.
So delicious.
Healthy food is good.
Huh? Healthy food? My healthy food.
Oh, Adrian, fruits. Oh, fruits. I love fruits. Yummy. Oh, yummy. I want ice cream.
Ice cream? Come on, come on.
Okay.
Okay.
Ice cream. Ta-da!
Mango. Yeah. Ooh. Yummy.
Ice cream? Okay.
Healthy ice cream.
My ice cream. You're welcome.
Thank you. Nice. Vanilla.
Yummy.
Coconut. Hazelnut.
Waffles for Daddy! Yay! Done!
Waffles. Whoa. Waffles.
Okay. Cream!
Cream.
Strawberry! Bon appetit! So delicious! Yummy!
Yummy.
Waffles? Okay. Finish. Bubbles.
Waffles. Okay. Waffles. I like waffles.
Chocolate
Yes.
and some decoration. together.